explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Degrees of Comparison, right? So let's begin with the chapter and see what they are telling us, right? Both adjectives and adverbs change their forms to show comparison among two or more people, things and their actions. कि दोनों ही एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब्स अपनी फॉर्म्स को चेंज कर लेते हैं जब उन्हें कंपैरिजन दिखाना होता है किन्हीं दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में, ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में या फिर उनके एक्शंस के बीच में, राइट? सो द एग्जाम्पल्स, यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव्स के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं और यहाँ पर एडवर्ब्स के. सो लेट्स रीड द एग्जाम्पल्स वेरी क्विकली. Tina is tall. Sophia is taller than Tina. Mary is the tallest of the three. Now let's read the examples of adverbs. So it is Jack rises early. Rosie rises earlier than Jack. Henry rises the earliest of the three. Right? So there are 3 degrees of comparison. तो totally 3 degrees of comparisons होती है. What are they? The positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Right? These are the 3 degrees. Now, first we have the positive degree. So, what are these positive degrees? Let's find out. This is the first degree where the adjective or the adverb say something about the noun or the verb without making comparison with any other. कि ये पहली डिग्री है जहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव या फिर एडवर्ब कुछ ना कुछ कहते हैं नाउन या फिर वर्ब के बारे में बिना कोई कंपैरिजन किए किसी दूसरे पर्सन या ऑब्जेक्ट से, राइट? सो द एग्जांपल्स: टीना इज टॉल, एडजेक्टिव; जैक राइजेस अर्ली, एडवर्ब, राइट? नेक्स्ट वी हैव द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो ये कंपैरेटिव डिग्रीज क्या है? This is the second degree where comparison is made between two people or things. कि ये सेकेंड डिग्री है एडवर्ब्स की जहाँ पर कंपैरिजन किया जाता है दो लोगों के और दो चीजों के बीच में, राइट? The word than always follows the comparative adjective or adverb. कि जो वर्ड है than ये हमेशा फॉलो करता है कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव या फिर एडवर्ब को, राइट? सो द एग्जांपल्स: सोफिया is taller than Tina. This is an adjective. Rosie rises earlier than Jack. This is an adverb. So, सिंपल शब्दों में अगर कहें तो जब हम दो चीज़ों के बीच में, दो पर्सन या दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में कंपैरिजन करते हैं तब हम उसे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कहते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट वी हैव द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो अब ये सुपरलेटिव डिग्री क्या है? दिस इज द थर्ड डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन where two or more people or things are compared at whole. कि ये थर्ड डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन है जहाँ पर दो या फिर दो से ज़्यादा पीपल या फिर थिंग्स को कंपेयर किया जाता है, राइट? वी ऑलवेज यूज द बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब. कि हम हमेशा आर्टिकल द का यूज करते हैं सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव या फिर सुपरलेटिव एडवर्ब से पहले. नाउ वी हैव एग्जांपल्स. Mary is the tallest of the three. This is an adjective. Henry rises the earliest of the three. This is an adverb, right? Now we have some more examples. Let's say the chair is comfortable. The sofa is more comfortable than a chair. The bed is the most comfortable of all. Right? So we saw that all these are the 3 degrees of comparison. That is the positive, where no comparison is made. So comparative, where we compare between the two people or the things. Right? And the next is the superlative degree, where we compare more than 2 people or things at a time. Okay, so we have some more examples over here. Let's read them also. It is warm today. Yesterday was warmer than today. Tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week. Sheena ran fast. Roma ran faster than Sheena. Shelley ran the fastest of all. You are a good player. I am a better player than you. Jacob is the best player in the class. Right? So, comparative and superlative degrees of many adjectives and adverbs can be formed by adding er and est to the positive degrees along with necessary changes in spellings. Right? तो कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज में बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव्स और एडवर्ब्स हैं जो कि बनाए जाते हैं ER और ESC को ऐड करके उनके पॉजिटिव डिग्रीज के साथ, ताकि उन्हें उनकी कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज में चेंज किया जा सके. राइट? सो we have examples. Let's read them. So first of all, we have adjectives this side, right? So it is able, abler, ablest. Big, bigger, biggest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Fast, faster, fastest. High, higher, highest. Large, larger, largest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Slim, slimmer, slimmest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Wise, wiser, wisest. hard, harder, hardest. Then these are the adverbs: fast, faster, fastest, soon, sooner, soonest, early, earlier, earliest. Right? Next. Again, we have some adverbs. Let's read them. Late, later, latest. Far, farther, farthest. Near, nearer, nearest. Long, longer, longest. Low, lower, lowest. Wide, wider, widest. Right? Now, comparative and superlative degrees of some adjectives and adverbs are formed by adding more and most respectively before the words. तो अब कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हम ER और EST को ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? So how are we going to form their comparative and superlative degrees? We are going to add more in the comparative form before the word and most in the superlative form before the word, right? So let's see. First of all, let's read the adjectives examples. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Right? Moving up to the next one. Let's read the adverbs example. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Happily, more happily, most happily. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Often, more often, most often. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Right? Next, some adjectives and adverbs have different words to be used as their comparative and superlative degrees. अब कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स और एडवर्ब्स ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पर हम ना तो उनमें ER या EST ऐड कर सकते हैं, ना ही हम उनमें मोर और मोस्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं, right? So how are these words changed into their comparative and superlative forms? यहाँ पर हम पूरे के पूरे words ही अलग कर देते हैं. How? Let's read the examples and know. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most, old, elder, eldest. That was all about the chapter. I hope you all found it easy and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.